Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another tutorial video. I'm going to show you how to solve Ads.txt stat is not found issue for Blogger website. Alright, so let's get to the screen. As you can see in the screen, there's an issue on appear. This ads text status is unauthorized. So let's fix the issue. First of all, go to the Blogger and go to the setting. Then here you have to scroll down. Scroll down. Here you have to enable the monetize custom Ads.txt. Alright, so then click here. When you click here, you can see there is empty, so means there is no ad appear. So we have to go to the first of all we need and click learn more. Then you click learn more, scroll down. After scroll down, you can see there is a publisher ID. Just copy this one. It's here, yeah, it's copy here. After that, go to the Blogger website, then paste it here, which is where it was empty. Now you come to the AdSense and you have to look for the publisher account number. This is the publisher account number. I have to copy, yeah. So have a look for this PUB ID. This means AdSense publisher ID. Then go to this. You can see here the 000000. You can see 00. You have to paste it, then save it. Okay. Then just now this one has been implemented. Is already now implemented. So generally this one is working like 24 to 48 hours. Okay. Sometimes it's work immediately also. Okay, if you want to see the whether it is implement, just go to the view in the publisher. Just go to the view in the website, then type here / ads.txt. Yes, as you can see here, the AdSense is showing here, so means it's working fine. So wait for the 24 hours to 48 hours and it will be solved this issue. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more informative video. Thank you.